Welcome to Virtual Little Kitchen. Today we are doing a recipe just for John and Leighton. We've always been very cautious about making sure we wash our hands before we make food. So we're going to teach you our little kitchen washing hand song. Okay, let's go guys.
Top and bottom, in between, all around our hands, wash them clean.
We do this twice and then we rinse with fresh water and dry our hands on our very own aprons.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Virtual Little Kitchen. Today we are making John and Leighton's super duper carrot apple pancakes. The ingredients they gave us was honey, apple, carrots, self-raising flour and coconut cream.
Added is a little bit of salt, an egg and some cinnamon or nutmeg. So didn't have coconut cream, so we've just substituted with full cream milk.
Step 1. Grate the apple.
You'll see I've pre-peeled the carrots and the apple, so if you can ask your mommy or daddy to do that.
2. Grate the carrot.
Only need about half a carrot and then the whole apple grated.
Step 2. Crack an egg into the bowl. Beat till foam. Step 3. Add the apple. Mix well. They look delicious. With salt. Self-raising flour.
1 cup of self-raising flour
1 cup of self-raising flour.
and sift it in.
And sift it in. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Mix
well. Add milk or coconut cream gradually.
And mix well in between. Okay, this is the type of consistency you want. It must be able to drop into a pan without being too runny.
Brush a pan with olive or coconut oil.
Set to medium heat. This is something that mommy and daddy can help you with. Boys and girls, mommy and daddy need to help you with a hot pan. We're going to spoon it onto the pan. We're making mini ones, so about 1 dessert spoonful per pancake.
Beware guys, it's very hot. We have it. Serve with fresh fruit and honey.
If you would like your own personalized recipe, contact us for more information. info@littlekitchen.co.za